A joyful learning.
Hi dear Kinder Bees. Let's learn to draw a carrot in a simple way. Slowly, slowly. Amazing? Slow and steady. Take, orange color. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Amazing? Now take your green color. Slowly, slowly. Fantastic! It's a colorful and a sweet carrot. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.